So let's talk about why you do not want to treat your divorce attorney like your therapist or your best friend. Let's say you have found out that your spouse is a narcissist. This is what you believe about them, and you are processing all the things that have happened in your life. You're also preparing for divorce, and you want the attorney who is going to effectively represent you and make sure that this person doesn't walk all over you. Now, that person that you've hired, if you've hired the right person, knows what a narcissist is. They know how to plan and prepare. It's news to you because you're going through it. It should not be news to an experienced divorce attorney. Now, what you need to do is give that person the information they ask for, but also give them the time and the space to prepare your case and to strategize so they can think through what their next move is and what they can and cannot do. For you, you are probably processing and you are thinking about everything that has happened and every event that this person has done to you. Now, that's very important. It's something you need to do, but you cannot do that with your attorney because you are taking up time and mental energy that is not going into helping you. It is just taking away from their ability to help you. This is why it is crucial to work with a qualified, licensed therapist or a qualified divorce coach, somebody who can help you process your emotions, go through everything you're going through, and also help you focus so that you can give your attorney the information they need to help you fight for an effective resolution.